Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to draw this cute little kitty just by using these alphabets V, C, U and O. So let's see how we can draw this kitty. Okay, so the very first alphabet we are going to use is a big O. So let's write a big O first to draw the face of the kitty. And we are done. Now we'll use the alphabet C, an inverted C, and again a big C. So it's an inverted C, then a continuation of the big C. Now we are going to use the alphabet U, then again an inverted C. Now again a L and a continuation of U. Now what we are going to do is, again we are going to use a curved line, or you can say an inverted C, and again a straight line and then a connecting U. So join the corner. Now for the tail we are going to use an inverted C and then continuation of a C. Then repeat the same process, an inverted C and again a C joining the end. Now we have joined the corner using a curve. Now we are going to draw the ears of the kitty. For that we are going to use the alphabet V. You need to write the inverted V at both the corners of the circle to make the ear. Now for the eye, again we are using the alphabet O, and for the eyeball the smaller O's. So we are done with the eyeball. Now we will draw the nose. For that again a small V, and then join both the ends of the V using the curved line. Now from the middle write one U and again one U both the sides. Now for the whisker we are just going to use random straight lines going in all different directions. Now draw one middle line in both the ears. Now we are going to add a ground to the kitty. For that again one big O. Done with the O, now we'll add some grasses around. So for that you just need to write inverted V and again one inverted V and again an inverted V in the middle. The same way you are going to draw in this corner an inverted V, again an inverted V and an inverted V in the middle. Now we'll draw the cloud and the sun for the kitty. For the cloud you need to write the alphabet C in all different direction, and all the C should be connected to each other. So we have drawn a cloud by using the alphabet C. Now again we are going to use a big C for the sun. So we are done with the sun as well. So you can see how we have created the whole picture just by using few alphabets. Now take your color brown, yellow, pink, green, blue and the dark green to color the whole picture. First take your color light blue and color the corners of the cloud. Once you are done with the corners, fill the color inside. Now take your color yellow for the sun. Same process, color the corner and then fill the color inside. Now color it properly and don't leave any white space in between. If you see any white space, put another layer of the color. Now take your color pink and color the face of the kitty. For that again the same process, color the corners first. Once you are done with the corners, fill the color inside. Now what you need to do is, you need to color the whole face very lightly. Only the corners will be little dark, but the middle portion will be lighter. So as you go from the corners to the middle, you can see the value is getting from dark to light. The same way, color the body darker in the corners and lighter in the middle. So again do it lightly. Done. So you can see only the corners are dark and the middle one is light. So don't do the middle part too dark, okay? Now the same way color the half part of the ear, corners dark and the middle part lighter. Now take your color yellow and color the other part of the ear. Now you are done with the ears and the whole body. Now take your color brown and color the eyeball of the kitty. Remember, you leave a little white space in the eyeball. Don't do it darker, okay? Now we'll color the ground. For that, for the grasses, we'll be using the color dark green and the ground will do with the light green. So again, color the outline and then fill the color inside. Now for the grasses, again, we are going to use the dark green. Color all the V's with the dark green. Now the nose again with the color brown. Done. See how beautifully we have completed the whole kitty.